Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix your Wix mobile site. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, what we need to do first is we need to go to wix.com, log in into our account, and access our dashboard here. So I am in my dashboard here, and we want to start editing our website. So top left or top right of your screen, you should see an edit site option. So you could go to setup or home here, so you'll be able to see it. So let's go and click on edit site. It should open up your editor here, and from here you should be able to start editing your website. But in this case, you might be wondering, how do we fix our mobile site here? So in this case, maybe you viewed your website via your mobile device and you see that it's actually quite clunky. Well, with Wix, they actually made things a lot easier for us. So at the top section of your screen, you should see the page section in here as well, and an icon for desktop and an icon for mobile. In this case, when you actually click on the mobile option here, you'll be able to see your website in a specific format, or in this case, in your mobile version. Now, in the mobile version here, whatever you do or whatever design that you remove or add would actually not affect your desktop version. As you can see, I actually remove the name on this specific theme here. And when I actually go back into my desktop, that name is still existing here. So we have photography here. So let's just switch over to mobile here. So let's go ahead and click on the photography option. So maybe I want to remove this section here. So go ahead and remove that. And from here, let's go ahead and switch over to desktop. And as you can see, nothing changed because currently the design that we have on desktop is separate from mobile. So in this case, it's actually really cool that Wix actually included this one. But in this case, you can go to mobile here, start designing, removing the signs, and even changing a few things here so that your mobile version or the mobile website that you have right now actually looks good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.